the Powerhouses, the Kingfish, and finally, the Steamrollers. Let's go, everybody!
Vault 1 on it, right here.
Our contestants will race to riches in quick cash. The first to reach the cash goal will claim victory.
Scotty's spot on. Time for the big cash crunch.
As always, in Monaco, the cards are not stacked against you, right?
The Steamrollers are starting a revolution. They're opening Vault 1.
A contestant is in need of a revival after that encounter. It's our first elimination.
Boy, oh boy, are we in for a treat today!
Charging for cash out B. Advance on cash out B.
The Steamrollers haven't come out flat. They've started our first cash out.
Barricades up.
We lead for the Steamrollers. Yikes. Team wipe for the Kingfish.
They just couldn't swim away from that one.
The Kingfish are re-entering the arena. Will the Soul survive? Will the Powerhouses be able to keep a team wipe at bay? Let's see. The Powerhouses will need to try again. Team wiped.
This round is becoming a bit of a fixer-upper for them.
The Powerhouses are re-entering the arena. This is exactly what the Steamrollers needed. They pocketed our first cash out. The steamrollers are busy prying into Vault 2.
Throwing goo grenade.
Uh-oh, only one contestant left for the powerhouses. That's a blow to the Kingfish. Team wiped.
We just couldn't finish strong. Get it, Scotty?
The Kingfish are back.
Grab cash out C.
The steamrollers just jump-started a cash out. The powerhouses have been rattled. Team wiped.
Throwing fire. Throwing goo grenade.
The powerhouses have respawned.
Thanks a million. Thanks. You're a star. Goo grenade set.
The last member of the powerhouses can use a little staying power in the arena. Throwing fire.
Goo grenade out. Goo grenade out.
An amazing show of skill, but we are out of time. A big thanks to our sponsors for bringing us this incredible spectacle, and a big congratulations to our winners.